Hi, Deadlock's here today, and today Mr. Deadlocks is going to do a beat the beef. I think it's a beat the beef cuff escape with.
It's not a cuff escape. It's just a beat the beef.
Beat the beef thing with these blue cuffs that are 700Cs.
No.
Oh. 500Cs.
No.
250Cs.
No. Today.
400Cs.
No.
450Cs.
No. Today we are answering the question of if the Peerless 750C can beat the beef.
I said 750.
Do you think Peerless is going to beat the beef?
Yes. No, I don't know what this means. I don't understand this beef thing. I think that the beef will be open.
If the cuffs open, it did not beat the beef. If the cuffs do open, no, sorry. If the cuffs open, it did not beat the beef. If the cuffs stay closed, they beat the beef.
Right. Okay. I think the beef will win this one. I think. Does that mean that the cuffs will open?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't share your enthusiasm.
Oh, you don't share my enthusiasm?
No. Because two things about the Peerless 750C. It has an incredibly tight keyway and a very stiff spring.
How long do you give that thing for?
Till I think I can't do it. Why?
Well, see, did you know that most commonly transplanted human organ in the world, do you know what it is?
Nope.
It's a kidney. Followed by the liver and then the heart. Did you know you only need 25% of your liver to survive?
Yes.
And it regrows itself.
Yes.
Good news.
Beef isn't faring well.
Oh, beef bent.
Very bent.
Oh, that's not good.
All that. All that's happening is the beef is bending, and the Peerless 750C has remained locked.
Oh.
So the Peerless 750C can beat the beef. That's all from us.
I'm sad now.
Why?
Because I didn't win.
Oh. Well, that's all from us. See you next time.
Bye!
Unlock it.
Which will totally throw off with villains. They'll go and they'll touch it and they'll be like, no, can I open it? Fuck. Ooh, that's that annoying word. Jeez. It wasn't me, it was the naughty people.